with her own eyes.
More innocent what now?
Waggle waggle.
More innocent waggle waggle?
Yes.
I love me some waggle waggles.
Let the witness, Miss April May, take the How did he know her name? It was the prosecution who's in charge of the witness, but did the judge read minds? Did he turn into fucking doctor?
Motherfucker has been bought and sold like a nutty
I'm being
bar.
Phoenix right now, you motherfucker.
All
Why do
right.
you get to be Phoenix?
Right.
Because you're April May.
I can have a conversation with myself. Apparently Matt can't, so he volunteers the part over. If he would like to, he can. Oh, damn it. I said the wrong name. Anyway.
Witness, your name, please.
April May, at your service, wink.
Wink, meaning kaboingity boingity.
Rebel, 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 rebel,
Rebel,
rebel.
rebel, woink, 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 woink. Order! An introduction should not require any reaction from the crowd. If I can't enjoy it, no one else can!
Well, looks like you're enjoying it, Judge.
Aw, yes, Your Honor. This is not good. Already captured the heart of every man in the courtroom.
You want to be the judge?
No, you're Judge.
Fine. Tell us, where were you on the night of September 5th when the murder occurred? Aside from in my house, sucking my own very esteemed British cock.
Well, if we're not talking about that 10.5-inch magnificent beast, I was, like, in my hotel room, I guess.
Yes, you almost broke it, by the
I
way.
checked in right after lunch, and maybe you should take it rough like a man, you little bitch.
I'm sorry, I'm not used to changing positions like that, but I'm sure
I like to do it quickly.
That's
right, big boy.
Woman on top?
Please testify what to the court about what you saw. Please, please. He's trying to hold back his,
Cum shot?
yeah.
It was like 9 at night. I looked out the window, you know.
Yeah.
And then, ooh, I saw a woman with long hair being attacked. The one attacking her was the mousy girl sitting in the defendant's chair.
Side boob.
Then the woman, like, dodged to one side and ran away. Yeah. But that girl, she caught up to her and she hit her.
While lugging that
She's a meaty face.
While lugging that 90-pound statue.
90 pounds. That's a very heavy statue.
Like Chris Brown, that bitch. The woman with the long hair, she kinda slumped.
Like she was dead or something.
Or like she was sucking.
The end. That's all I saw. Every little bitsy witsy.
Those are the sounds of boners popping out of dress pants.
Well, Your Honor, are you satisfied yet? I see. It is a remarkably solid testimony. I don't see the need to trouble the witness any.
Wait, Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Wright?
What about my cross-examination?
You're fired. Get out.
Well, wait a minute.
I thought the witness's testimony just now was quite firm.
Well, stop talking about Prosecutor Edgeworth's dick and let me cross-examine the witness.
I was talking about her buttocks, actually.
Oh, well, thank you. I mean, hey, wait a minute.
Mr. Wright, I understand you were Miss Mia Fey's understudy, were you not? You must know her techniques well.
She taught me every technique.
Her cowardly way of finding tiny faults in perfectly good tap finger testimonies.
Hey, how dare you?
I'm just mad because I never got the chance to bone her, that's all.
No thanks.
No thanks.
Yes, I'm doing it. I'll gladly proceed with the cross-examination.
Oh yeah, he wouldn't pass up a chance to cross-examine her now.
If only because I have a feeling Edgeworth doesn't want me to. That fucker. She has to have some weakness.
Yeah, and her buttocks.
Very well. You may begin your cross-examination.
Dun dun dun. Cross-examination. Witness account.
Why can't she be the... Why can't the...
What? What? I'm sorry, what, bitch? I'm sorry, what? Hold it! Slam!
Slam.
How do you know she was the defendant?
Huh? Well, you know, she had a girlish physique. Women know these things. Look, I just know, okay?
There was only one person at the scene of the crime with a short, girlish figure.
It was.
The testimony is
Phoenix Wright.
the testimony is bulletproof, Your Honor.
He's right.
Yep, he's right.
This is actually what you have to do.
Phoenix Wright, girlish figure at law.
Phoenix Wright looks like a little boy.
Hold on a minute. That testimony stinks like bad fish or your pussy after I fucked you.
No, you're fucking stupid. You're fucking wrong. No, you're wrong.
What? Miss May, I'm willing to bet that you saw nothing but your own breasts because they're too large. Rah, there's no such thing as too large. Rah.
Detective Gumshoe loves large.
Are you telling the truth? Did you really see the defendant? Bitch?
Mr. Wright, what's the meaning of this?
Yeah, what is the meaning? Somebody tell me because I'm clueless. About this, I mean.
Shut the fuck up, bitch, and continue your motorboating. I've finally felt my penis after 10 years, and you're going to stop?
If you had really witnessed my client, Maya Fey, you would not be motorboating the judge right now. You would have noticed her clothes before noticing her physique.
Judge.
No one wears clothes like this on a daily basis, except her, because she's completely unfashionable.
Because she's
and I would know, Phoenix Wright, homosexual at law.
Because she's a freak of nature. I mean, just look at that freakish fucking hairdo. How do you like that top knot, bitch, huh? Is that like an antenna? Do you get the sports channel on that? Do you see some ESPN, huh? How'd the Ravens do? Oh!
And I'm no expert on the Ravens, really? The Ravens?
Yes.
And I'm no expert on fashion, but her hairdo looks far from normal to me. It also feels great going in and out of my ass. However, the witness's testimony mentions neither of these things, because she's a stupid bitch.
Slam.
The testimony is bogus.
But,
Still,
Bye-bye.
we don't know if we... Oh, yes, baby. If she was dressed that night in the murder.
She was, Your Honor. I saw her. She was not naked. Unfortunately. And so did Detective Gumshoe. She was still not naked. Slam. What do you say to that, Miss May?
Wow! What are you trying to say, you mean lawyer? I saw what I saw. I just didn't think all the trifling little details were necessary, darling.
Yeah, you're not the kind of woman to say
Bitch.
trifling. Miss May, the court would like you to remind you to please omit nothing from your testimony like you omit nothing from your Saturday night job.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'll be a good girl. I promise. I'll even talk about the crabs I gave you before you went home to your wife.
What? Bitch, you fucked up! Now you fucked up! Now you fucked up! Your testimony again!
Miss Rock, what are you doing here? This is my parole hearing.
Look out.
Damn, I almost had her.
Right by the
I'm gonna tit-fuck this chick right into jail.
I did see everything. I did. The victim, the woman, dodged the first attack and ran off to the right. That way. Then the girl in the hippie clothes ran
Towards
after
this-
her
towards this
because
cat paw.
she's a hippie and they hurt people. Stop.
And when they
And
get
she
hot,
hit her with the weapon. I saw it.
she
did.
wasn't on weed, she was on meth and cocaine.
Because that's totally what hippies do. That clock, the kind of statue-y clock. The thinker, I think. Well, does the accuracy of my report not startle you?
I see. I only wish you had been so detailed from the beginning. Please, begin the cross-examination.
Delicious.
Witnesses are down.
Now we're gonna play a bunch of Muppets whenever they're
Wait, go back one. No, just one.
This is where I want you to put it, right here. I want you to put it. In my mouth hole. I told you.
Okay. Here you go.
Made by Larry.
Give me that strong objection all over my face.
Alright, that was a little gross.
International.
Objection!
Imagine if you broke your computer screen right there. That'd been funny as fuck.
Objection.
Ooh, fancy schmancy. Miss May, what you said just now was quite revealing, much like your clothes.
Revealing? Well, you'd like that, wouldn't you, Mr. Naughty Lawyer?
Oh, revealing like your laundry, bitch.
You just said that the statue of the finger was a clock. But there's no way of knowing that just by looking at it. You dumb bitch. Another person in much the same position as you recently called this a clock too.
And he also said,
That Asian motherfucker went to jail.
No,
and he also said, put it in my mouth hole if you give me innocent.
I sucky you a real good time. And he was found guilty of murder.
That's an awfully weird thing to be smart about.
Miss May, can you explain how you know this was a clock?
No. Objection! The witness saw the murder with her own eyes. That's all that's important here. Slam! The defense is trying to confuse the issue with trivial concerns.
I'll give you some trivial concerns.
Yes!
Your butthole.
Trivial like your penis, Mr. Wright. Yes, you will withdraw your question, Mr. Wright. Objection!
But questions are all I have, Your Honor. They're all I have after they took both my balls and my wife because I was gay. And as you may recall, I've caught murderers with these questions before. Well, only once.
Slam. Objection sustained. You may continue to question the witness.
Whew, that was close. Like when that bus almost hit me on Monday. If he stopped me there, the trial would be over.
Huh? What? So, what happens now? I want to leave and go fuck my 5 boyfriends.
Just
What
5.
happens now is you answer my question. How did you know it was a clock, you slut?
What? That's... because... I heard it? Yeah! I heard it say the time.
Good one, bitch.
Slam.
So you've been to the lofts as a Fay and Company.
No, I didn't say that. Why would I go there? Exclamation point. I heard from my hotel room.
The law offices of Fay & Co., where the murder took place, are very close to the hotel. She could easily have heard the clock.
That's a bit of a leap.
Well, Mr. Wright, are you satisfied? I mean, there were fucking windows there. Maybe you should objection some more.
I'm not satisfied, Your Honor. I'm never satisfied.
Yeah, because you're too quick.
No, Your Honor. I can't give up now. I'm gonna come. I mean, I'm not satisfied because... Your Honor, members of the court, members in my pants.
Slam.
It is inconceivable that the clock in question rang. That clock is missing its clockwork. That clock is missing its clock.
Give her the death sentence! I do so love a good trial. How could you possibly...
Just have a look. As soon as you can.
Fiddle. Whoa!
See anything interesting, Your Honor?
He does.
Porn! Hidden inside the clock!
Oh, I'm sorry. That's mine. If you can just pass that.
No way, Mr. Wright. This is important evidence. The court
It has nothing to do with the court.
The court must keep this in
Evidence.
custody.
It's tranny porn. We don't even have any trannies in the room right now.
I bet
I'm a tranny and I'm on the jury. You just sound like a Vegas woman. I'm a tranny.
Quite empty.
it's quite empty.
Like Miss April May's head.
Rabble.
Like Miss...
Rabble, empty-headed slut.
Like my balls have after they've shriveled up over the years. Mr.